Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. How are you today? I want to say today to all of my viewers, thank you very much for all of your support, all the millions of watch minutes you've given my channel. It's unbelievable. We've got over 220 videos up now. Subscribers coming in upwards of, over 1,800 now. If you love to be a subscriber, there's a button here, there's a button there. Please join in. Today, this video is basically a video about my new Redbubble store. I've been talking about it now for a couple of weeks, and I thought I would make a formal video about how it actually works and how it looks. So for those of you who have never heard of my Redbubble store before, here's a video about how the Redbubble store works, all of my different merchandise that's available for now. They handle everything. I've only supplied them with logos. They will take an order on your behalf. If you want a t-shirt with a logo on it of my channel, Traveling with Bruce, they'll make the shirt according to your size. They'll ship it to you. They back it up with a warranty. They'll exchange it if it doesn't fit. Whatever you need, they'll look after customer service. They handle everything. I can't screw anything up. I love these guys. Please consider grabbing an item from the store. It helps support my channel because a percentage of the proceeds comes to me, Traveling with Bruce. Okay, if you're trying to find my store at Redbubble, here's my homepage for my channel, and on the upper right-hand corner, way up in the upper right, you'll see that little red and white logo over there. There's the Twitter, the Patreon, the Instagram, PayPal. There's the Redbubble store. You click that little red and white logo, you get my homepage here. Scrolling down on this page, you'll see the logos on the bottom, and I've clicked on the Wave logo there. And once you click that Wave logo, this page pops up, and scrolling down, you'll start to see all the items available. I clicked on the unisex t-shirt illustration there. I got a young guy there with one of my t-shirts. There's the logo in one color. There's another button here just below the models where you can see all the products. They all appear in one concise page. And you scroll down this page, you'll see the guys, the girls, clothing, and then you'll see merchandise like coffee mugs and cell phone covers, pillowcases, stickers, and here we are, a selection here of various styles of t-shirts in various colors. You'll have a field day looking through here. Pick out the logo you want to take a closer look at, and then you can look at the style of shirt that's available, the color of shirt that's available, and you can see which one of these might appeal to you. For the ladies, we've got V-neck, V-cut type t-shirts. We've got, of course, hoodies for guys and girls. We've got various colors for various pieces. So it might say there's 40 items available or 30 items available. Here's a shot of a coffee mug to give you an idea. Here's one of a travel mug to give you another idea. The gift items just keep on coming. Here's a sticker. You can put this on a computer. You can stick this on anything. Here's a tote bag, of course, with the logo on it. You can get different tote bags for different logos. I now have at least 5 going, and there'll be more following here shortly. This is just a taste of what we have so far. These make great gift ideas. If you know someone who's a Traveling with Bruce fan, and they enjoy watching my live streams between Monday and Saturday, here's something they can you can get them, and they can wear this during the show or wearing around the house, whatever they want, and or taking it on a cruise, whether you're heading for an Alaska cruise with these hoodies, or whether you're thinking of a Caribbean cruise or a Mediterranean cruise. Doesn't matter. It's a way to go. It's easy to order the product. There's a shopping cart logo on the top of the page. You click on that. You can add these items one at a time if you like. They will give you a break on the shipping if you order more than one item. In the case of these coffee mugs, if you order more than one, they start giving you price breaks because of the volume. I think your best deal is if you order 4 coffee mugs in one order, you get, I think, 20 or 25% off. It varies. Not a bad deal. The other good thing about Redbubble is they make these items on a one-off basis, on a made-to-order basis. So when you want one, they'll produce it for you right away, and then they'll ship it to you. The other good thing about Redbubble is that they have manufacturing centers in most countries. So if you're in Canada and you order this item, it'll be produced by a Canadian manufacturer. If you're in the United States, it'll be produced by a U.S. manufacturer, and this eliminates the pesky duty problem getting items across the border. because the item is made in Canada, it's shipped in Canada. If it's made in the US, it's shipped in the US. So it speeds up the delivery process greatly. It reduces the paperwork and hassle. It eliminates these custom brokerage fees that you'll sometimes be charged. So convenient to order this through Redbubble. It's another reason why I'm using these guys. They really know their stuff, and so far the reviews from the clients have been great. People are very happy with the quality of the merchandise. They're really happy with the quality and look of the logos that are being printed on, whether it's on material like this here for these t-shirts, or whether it's being applied onto a coffee mug or travel mug. They're very happy with the quality of the work. These photos still don't do us justice. In some cases, I've done a bit of a zooming up of the logo to give you a better feel to see, so you can see what it looks like. The actual product is much sharper looking than these photos here, so I apologize for that. But I am taking a photo of a photo of a photo, and we just get the quality that we get. But the women's tops, as you can see, all kinds of colors, all kinds of styles of t-shirts. Here's a classic, sort of a looser fitting style t-shirt versus the v-neck. For the ladies, you've got just an infinite possibility of options at your fingertips here to choose the look you like. Same for the guys. We've got all kinds of t-shirt styles available. I think in the one style of t-shirt, we have 17 different colors available. On the hoodies, I think we have 4 to 6 different colors available for the look of the hoodies for the guys and the girls. The women also get upwards of 17 colors in some of the styles as well. It's just fantastic. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you check out the store, and if you like something, put an order in there. Help support my cause. I really do appreciate it. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying we'll see you on the live streams Monday to Saturday. Have a good day, everybody. Take care.